Let's analyze this inhumane stock Faraday Future Intelligent Electric. We are talking about almost 4000%. So what in the earth happened out here?
Let's see what's going on. First of all, remember to read the disclaimer right here and also in the description below. What an interesting stock to analyze. I'm reading here Reddit forum, and this is a company that is running low on cash and may go bankrupt soon. Insiders are suspected of pumping the stock to redeem warrants and then selling. And this company's technology is impressive, vehicles also, but it has failed to deliver on promises and lost trust with investors. These are comments based on the Reddit commenters. So why is this going up? Very good question, but it is also going. So maybe the best decision was to buy. Maybe the best decision wasn't to do it. This is completely crazy. Welcome to the memes stock world.
Also, remember to subscribe to TradingST for more videos like this, and let's analyze together, technical analysis at its best right now, because this is absolutely insane. So technical analysis is the only thing that can help you in this situation.
Well, maybe going to the roulette can help you also right here. Because, with this type of scenarios of short selling, you just take a look at the forums and people are buying. They are saying that they are holding forever. And they are getting crazy again. Like I have nothing against it. I love these types of movements because they give a lot of hype. And, like the energy is great. We lived similar scenarios with GameStop during the last years, and AMC. Also, we will make a video about it also very soon. Very interested in this stock because this time is different, and we're talking about a stock that was trading around 3 cents more or less, and it
Wow.
skyrocketed to $1.37 right now. What a crazy day today, almost 100% to the upside. Are you buying or are you just watching like us, guys? What are you doing right now? Let us know in the comments below.
Wow, this is completely vertical. You can clearly see, the support level right here, and the upturn is still there. It's still happening. Today it's just another 100%. At this point, the sky is the limit, you may think. But the thing, with these stocks, and we saw it many times, and we gotta tell you guys, we analyze stocks like this for years, and we know what happens afterwards. And what happens is that they tend to reverse. And when you have like nearly 4000%, someone, especially the people that started to buy at the beginning, they start to sell at some point, and maybe this point is like the perfect, the perfect one to do it. So when they do that, it start to drop like very very dramatically, and you could even see the stock like going back to even you may maybe you don't think about that, but it could happen. You could go back like minus 90% in just a couple of weeks. So you have to be very careful about this one.
Yeah, I think like the opportunity is clearly there. Obviously, you don't see a 4,000%, 3,000 all days, in all weeks in the stock market, maybe in crypto, but not even like that. And this is the opportunity right there, but also the risk involved. We are not saying that it is going to go lower. We are not saying that this continue to continue go higher. We are just telling like both scenarios are possible, and in my opinion, if you are prepared for both of them, the better. But of course, as with this type of movement, some people just buy and hold. They get like crazy, and I understand that feeling also. So if you're one of them, let us know in the comments. And also, I understand the people who buy earlier and then sell because they are here for the profits. And I also understand the people like we are doing right now that just analyze this, learn from the experience, but are not trading it because it's completely crazy. And sometimes this type of risk, it's not for everyone. I'm sure of that.
Yeah, look at that. We are watching right now the volume, and the volume candles right here on TradingView, and this
Mhm.
is the biggest volume candle ever in this stock. It was trading
For
at
sure.
at almost $5,000 per share back in February 2022. This is a stock like it was a SPAC before. So at this situation, you may be surprised that the stock is only year to date in 2024 only 100% on the upside.
Yeah, it's very interesting, like to see this type of movements. And right now the information that we have is like people are doing that type of short squeeze. They are talking about it, and I think it's a very similar scenario to what's going on GameStop and AMC. But the different thing is like today those stocks are EMA, GameStop minus 22% more or less, and AMC minus 12% right now when we are recording this video. And this one is up 94%. Maybe like the interest is here, and tomorrow will be in the other ones. We don't know, but it's like they are changing in that type of sense also. So they are not completely correlated, and that's something interesting to notice. So if you know about some stocks that are going in the same scenario, this type of short squeeze scenarios, let us know in the comments so we can check them also.
Yeah, look at that. We are. Is this like surfing the wave? You know, when you surf away, it's like you have to follow the trend. But when the trend is done, you have to exit your position. I mean, that's my recommendation based on past experience, especially in a stock that is
Yeah,
about to
and
fill
if
in.
you know how to surf also, because if you don't
Yeah,
know how to surf,
you don't know how to do it. Better not to do
fine.
it.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's the thing, you know. It's like if you don't sell it and it starts to go down, you're talking about that huge loss, and you don't want to see it, you know. So you have to be very careful, as I said before. You can solve the way, but when you see that the train is broken, especially this one, it's like it's better just not to be there. That's my opinion, obviously. But based on past experience and what happened, and you can see what happened in GameStop in the past, AMC, they went down minus 91%. Are you gonna, hold those losses? I mean, that's very painful.
Yeah, and it was interesting, in the last movements of the GME. We'll do it in the next video so you can see with more detail. But there were like movements to the downside, and people kept holding, or at least part of them, and then the price went even higher. That was completely crazy. We'll see what happens this time. For now, we have this kind of uptrend right here, this kind of support line, we could say. So, guys, what do you think? Let us know in the comments for the next video. Do you think we will see the breakout and the price going lower? Do you think we will see this wave going even higher, or do you have a different scenario in mind? Let us know in the comments below. Remember to subscribe to Trading HD and check the next video of GME and also AMC. Thank you very much. Have a nice weekend. Take care. We love you. Welcome again.
Also, remember to trade with extended hours with this one. Bye
Yeah,
bye.
remember to risk management. Thank you.